Okay, we got our head here. We've let this, we got these three pieces glued. We're going to let them, we're going to go out and we're going to sand this down. Sand it down here, this center piece. What we also have to do is we're going to have to cut a piece of this, cut this piece off here, because this will be to the back of the head. And with these side pieces, which go on here, these are going to have to get cut out inside, like that, and then also it'll get cut off this piece, and up through here somewhere will get cut off. So we're going to sand this down, then we'll mark these where we want them to go, and cut them off. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.